Let's see this question. So we have 41 raised by x minus 43 raised by x plus 160 equals 0. So which means this equals to negative 168. Well, let's write 43 raised by x first. The minus 41 raised by x, that equals to positive 168. You can think this way. You can think move this negative 1 to the other side, become positive. Move this positive 1 to the other side, becomes negative. But in this case, it's easier to think. So we have three numbers, 43, 41, 168. So 43, if 43 plus 41, that equals to 84. Then 43 minus 41, that's 2. And if we multiply these two, bingo, we get 168. All right. So let's write this way. So 168, basically we can be written as 43 plus 41, which is 84, multiplied by 43 minus 41, which is 2. Basically, 168, let me write one more step, is 84 multiplied by 2. And 84 comes from 43 plus 41. And 2 comes from 43 minus 41. And this is the difference of two squares, right? Remember, this is 43 minus 43 squared minus 41 squared. So match up the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And it has to be, the x has to be 2. So x has to be 2. But is x equal to 2 is the only answer. By the way, when we talk about this kind of equation, we're always talking about it in real number system. Real number system is saying if you square any number, that has to be at least 0. So we're in this world. So x equal 2 is the only answer. Why? Because we can think a function defined by 43 raised by x minus 41 raised by x. And with x equal 2, that's just 1 point. Okay. With x equal 2, so we have f of x equals to 168. But observe this. So 43 raised by x, exponential growth. 41 raised by x is exponential growth, but this negative is reflection, right? If we graph those two, let's just think this. So 43 raised by x, because 43 exponential function, the base is greater than 1, so we have exponential growth. And 41 raised by x is exponential growth, but with negative sign, that's a reflection over x-axis, because all the y value becomes negative. So somewhere we have, so 41, just think about the 41, negative 41 raised by x, we will have something like this, right? Like this. But a graph, because the difference of those two, so we have those two. Basically, this is a 1-to-1 function, right? It's not like a quadratic function. If a quadratic function like this, you see at the two x values, we have the same y value, but it doesn't happen with exponential functions. So in that case, we can see x equals to 2 is the only one solution.